Hey you guys, thank y'all for tuning in to another video. So in today's video, I will be installing my wig that I got from Aliexpress. So I'm going to be putting some braids, that way I could have them inside of the cap. I'm going to moisturize my hair, and y'all stay tuned. So now I just put 4 braids in my hair so that way I can put it into the cap. Yeah, your girl got some hang time. So these are the braids. Nothing too fancy. So now I'm about to install the hair. So stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I just got done laying my hair down and I tied it down. And this is the wig. I co-washed it yesterday. It did still hold its pattern. And it's very soft. And I'm barely having any shedding. No shedding. Nope. No shedding. So, right here I can tell already that they really took their time with these. So now I'm just going to install the hair, so stay tuned. So all I'm going to do is just cut the lace off. This got to be glue just to hold down the tab on the side. I'm really not doing no gluing to my hair, so let's see. A little black I'm gonna lay this down for about 10-15 minutes and then I'm gonna straighten it. So stay tuned. So I got it laid down just a bit, so now I'm just laying down the baby hairs. And I don't do too much stipulations to my edges, really. I like it to look as natural as possible. Get those edges. And now I'm going to lay it down once more just to get it extra flat. And I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. So you guys, this is the finished look. I just did my eyebrows and put some lipstick on, nothing too crazy. So this is the final look. And I absolutely love his hair. I know I'm gonna have to do a little plucking towards this part, but I really like it. What do you guys think? Let me know and leave it down in the comment section down below. But again, this hair came really, really fast. I ordered it, what, Wednesday, and it came yesterday. So you guys let me know what you think. All right, until next time, peace.